Okay, I want to spend just a couple of minutes giving you some strategies that you can apply to help you make some more sense of Chapter 1 of John Steinbeck's The Pearl and what happens. The first strategy is to use a straightforward narrative pyramid. And the idea here is that you place the main character's name at the top. In this case, of course, it's Kino. You'd use 2 words to describe him as a character, 3 words to describe the setting of Chapter 1, 4 words to state the main problem that takes place in Chapter 1, 5 words to describe one key event, 6 words to describe a second key event, 7 words to describe a third key event, and 8 words to describe a solution to the problem that takes place in Chapter 1. A second idea that you can use to help yourself is to approach this thematically, and you can use what's called a concept of definition map. In some cases, it's meant to be applied literally to a word or a phrase, but in this case, you can use it as an image or a theme. In this case, of course, it's the pearl itself. What is the pearl? What is it like? A comparison of the pearl. Of course, the pearls that he uses in Chapter 1 to try to buy treatment from the doctor in Chapter 1. Do they have any value? What are they worth to him? What are they worth to the doctor? And of course, later when he finds the pearl of the world, what does that signify and mean? All of those things can help you wrap your minds around what happens in Chapter 1 as far as the pearl is concerned. The third approach that you can use is to use the events of Chapter 1 as a predictive device in terms of what will you think will happen in the story. And the idea here is that you use these sequential clues. So first, for example, the very first thing that happens, Cayetito gets stung by a scorpion and he gets sick. Because of that, they have to consider taking him to the doctor. They take him to the doctor. The doctor does or does not agree to help him. And because of that, it leads to other events in the story. So the idea is that you would map that out and write your prediction on the right-hand side to try to predict what you think will happen in the story and then match it with what actually does happen. These strategies and more should help you make sense of Chapter 1, and best of luck.